Now let us start S3 application hands-on session. First, go to AWS account, type aws.amazon.com. Click on sign in to the console. And in the search bar, type S3 and click on first search result, which is S3. Now for our discussion, first I have to create two S3 buckets. Click on create bucket. Give name to first bucket. I'll give name demo -sub -origin -2021. And I will select EU West 1. And then we have to enable versioning. I will go down and I will search for bucket versioning. It is present here. Enable it. The reason I am enabling bucket versioning is the S3 replication requires you to enable bucket versioning. Then scroll down and click on create bucket. So now I have created first S3 bucket. Now I will create second S3 bucket. Again click on create bucket. And I will give name demo sub -replica -2021. And I will take US East 1 AWS region, and I will scroll down and we have to enable bucket versioning. Click enable, scroll down, click create bucket. So now we have two S3 buckets. One is demo sub origin 2021 and second one is demo sub replica 2021. Next I will select my first bucket, which is demo sub origin. So whenever I put something to this bucket, it should be replicated into second bucket. For that to happen, you have to enable replication in demo sub version 2021. I will click on this one. Then I will go to management, scroll down, go to replication rules and click create replication rule. Give name to replication rule. I will give name demo rule and status should be enabled. you can scroll down and you can leave other things to default. And here in rule, that is rule scope, I will select this rule applies to all objects in the bucket. Then I will scroll down and we have to select destination bucket. Here choose a bucket in this account or specify a bucket in another account. I will go with choose a bucket in this account. If your destination in some other account, you can select second one. Since in my case the destination bucket is in the same account, I will go with choose a bucket in this account. Then click browse S3 and I will select my destination. My destination is demo SUB replica 2021. I will select it and I will click on choose path. Then I will scroll down and in the IAM role I will select create new role, scroll down further and click save. Now you have set replication rule. I close this. Now let us go back to our Amazon S3 and first I will upload a file into demo SUB version and it should be replicated in demo SUB replica. Now demo SUB version does not contain anything. Similarly, demo SUB replica 2021 also does not contain anything. Now I will upload a file into demo SUB version 2021. Click on this one, click upload, then click add files and select a file. Sorry, my mistake, I uploaded, just I will delete. I uploaded wrong file. No problem, you can upload any file, but I'll upload a zip folder. Let me cancel it and I will upload again. Click upload, add files. I will select some file. I will select Putty Steps file. You can select any file. Click open, then click upload. It is uploading. It has been uploaded. I close this. Now you can see demo SUB version 2021 contains putty_steps.txt file. Now this file should be present in other S3 bucket. Since I have enabled replication in demo SUB version 2021. Now we'll go to our second bucket, which is demo SUB replica 2021. You can see it has come here as well. So in this way, whenever you upload anything to this particular S3 bucket, it will automatically get copied into other S3 bucket, which is demo SUB replica 2021, and this is a asynchronous replication process. So now we have completed demo of S3 replication. Now I will tell cleanup activity. Select both file. First I will delete file which is present in second S3 bucket. Click delete. Type delete. Click delete objects. Click close. Next go to other S3 bucket, select it and delete it. Click delete objects, close it. Now both S3 buckets are empty. Let us delete both the S3 buckets. Click delete. Sorry, I have selected both. I have to delete one by one. I'll click delete. Okay, 1 second. I think this bucket contains something. It does not contain anything, but still, let me refresh once. Now let us delete this one. Click delete. Empty bucket configuration. Let's okay. So I have enabled versioning. So I have to type permanently delete per. Click empty. Done. And now I can delete first one. I will delete type demo SUB origin 2021. Click delete bucket. Now let us delete second one. I have to empty bucket configuration. I will click and I will type permanently delete. Click empty. Exit. Now delete. Select delete. Type demo SUB hyphen replica hyphen 2021. Click delete bucket. So we have cleaned up all the resources which were used in our demo. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit www.icascloud.com.